it's Marina Co XO.
Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And today we're going to be talking about trusting the process. Let's get into the video.
I feel like it's more like like having faith.
Mm-hmm.
That's trusting the process and enjoying the moment, basically.
Yeah.
Like more so, and just enjoying the moment of your season, basically.
I think when you're saying enjoy the moment and accepting where you are in that moment, and like I think we're also like worried about the next step instead of being appreciative and grateful for what's going on right now.
Exactly.
Like, every little thing.
Right.
Like,
and that's why with like trusting it is like trusting what's going on, like everything that's going on in that moment or in that season of your life is building you, preparing you, or it's for a reason. It's not like just for nothing. Like you're not going through no struggles or nothing like that for no reason.
Right.
Like, everything happens for a reason. So just in that moment, just remember to like trust that, and it's like, okay, it's okay. Everything's no problem, really, because you know, at the end of the day, as long as I'm enjoying this process and trusting God in this moment, like, okay, I know you're going to get me there. It's okay. Like, no matter what, I don't need to, like, no matter what struggles I'm going through, I'm still going to get to the point that I want to get to.
You're going to get to. I feel like with the struggles that we do go through, if we're not moving in our season or we don't see growth happening, then we feel like we're stuck. But sometimes being stuck is like a time for you to learn, or a time for you to appreciate what you have, because how can he give you more if you're not appreciating what you already have? Like if you feel like I only have this, I only have that, and you're not grateful for that, then why, you know?
Why would you think that God would give you more?
Yeah.
Because he wants you to trust him and have faith in him. And that's the whole, literally the whole progress and process of what God is trying to have you do for your purpose.
Right.
You know, so it's like trust every little moment. Like in every moment, you have to remember, like, okay, even if you're mad, like no matter what, just be like, okay, Lord, I know you have a purpose for me.
Yeah.
And I know what that purpose is now. Just help me continue to live in that purpose, basically, and trust you that everything is going to still be okay.
Right.
Like,
no matter what.
Especially like with businesses, like people who are like really like making like an actual empire type of business. Like, or opening up type of like a actual store or something like that, when they have to like give all their money and all of that towards it. Like I be feeling like so bad sometimes, but at the same time it's like they had to go through that. Like, ooh, Stephen Furtick, like what did he say? It had to happen. So like that type of stuff is like, without that happening, where do you think that you would actually be if that didn't happen though? Because or what did you actually learn in that moment that actually made you who you are today? Like everything matters, that what you're going through. Like if you really think about when we were 16 and stuff, like the things that we used to do, all that stuff had to happen to get to where we are right now. Like why is our mindset trying to change? Why is this happening? Because we like, even I don't even think we knew that we were trusting the process. You know, like but we were. And that's why I feel like we are so blessed today. Because like we actually like know. I always had like some type of faith in the back of my mind, even though I'm like, oh my God, like I don't know what's going on, and I'm sad all the time or whatever. But even if that, like all that stuff had to happen, because I would still not know that God is the one who got me through it. No matter what.
And that's why I feel like all of the things that he puts us through and like the process that we are going through is because he wants us to glorify and know, like, this came from me. This didn't come from anybody else. This didn't come from your mom and your dad, which probably helped you along the way, but he's the one that got us through everything.
And he provides all of those thoughts, all of those, like, you know, every action that other people bring into your life, that's God coming into your life through other people.
But what I think also helps, like, not everybody wants to write everything down, but if you can remember the things that you have been through, then it'll help you, it'll prepare you for what you're going through or what you will go through, and allow you to have more faith, like we said earlier, and be like, okay, if I got through that, then why wouldn't I be able to get through this? And just being like open to change. I think that's what it is. It's like we're not ready to be uncomfortable. And so like trusting the process means, I have to be able to ready to do new things that I've never done before, meet people I've never met before. I can't stay
that you never
in the box.
Yeah,
exactly. So
yeah. And like when you say like writing stuff down, I think that's like that helps with the gratitude at the end of the day, because like you can literally, if you write it down, you can literally look back at those types of journals or whatever you were journaling at that time and being like, wow, like I was struggling at that moment.
I was stressed,
you know, like I was super stressed, and why was I so stressed or whatever. But, or even if you knew why you were so stressed and like depressed at that moment, but you're like, wow, I really got through that, and God is the only person that could really have gotten me through that. Like with school, boy, like that's the one thing I know. Like I'm like, I don't know how I got through school. I didn't study. I didn't do none of that. I really hated school. And I'm like, God is the only person that got me through that.
Passage. She would be like, I don't like studying, I'm like writing, and I'd be like, look, bro, we gotta do this, we gotta make this happen.
She was the more the studier, and I was just like,
hopefully we graduate.
Literally.
All right, but when there's a door open, like I feel like we have to walk in, and I think anxiety and depression and all of the other mental things, it makes it difficult because you're like, you think so much, and we were saying this in our other video, but being able to realize that's a door open for me, so walk through it, because we miss out on so many different opportunities due to
not trusting
our thoughts and not trusting.
Because you could literally walk, like you said, walk through that door, and you never know what could happen. And I don't ever, like, I will be so mad at myself if I have to look back and be like, I should have went through this way or did it this way, or if I didn't try enough, you know, like, what does my thing say? Don't be afraid to fail, be afraid not to try. Like, you know, so like that's the thing, is like we don't want to walk through the door because we're so scared or whatever, or of that opportunity. And it's so much opportunity, like that is what you want your life to be, but then you're just kind of like, I don't know, I'm hesitant because you're so scared of what other people would say, like, or how much pressure might be on you.
How it's gonna work out.
If you got to think about it, like, we know our potential, like, you know, we know what we can handle. God knows what we can handle, and He's not going to give us anything that we can't handle. So if you walk through that door, He's gonna put it all on you, though. Like, be ready that He's gonna put it all on you.
But He bless you to be able to handle whatever He gives you. You know, so like.
And don't think that He's not like about to give you tests, no matter what. No matter what door you go through, there's going to have a test.
Yeah, that's true. But trusting the process is a process, and you need people to help you go through that process. And you have to understand too, not everybody can be along with you for the ride. So if other people aren't really necessarily down for you or like supporting you, then you can't bring everybody up with you, and it's okay. And we're learning that as we like get older.
No matter what, as an entrepreneur, period, or just any business type of person, or anybody, if you listen to anybody that is really successful, they're just like those people. They dropping, they're dropping, and it's okay. Like, you may feel bad at that point in time, but it's like, who's really down for you at the end of the day? And it's like just how guys be saying, you know, you wasn't down, you know, so that's why they don't be, because they want a girl that's super loyal and really down from like literally the beginning when they were struggling, especially like guys who were like super successful, you know,
like she was like them basket like LeBron,
like it's them girls that stayed down for real,
no matter what they've been through. And I can't imagine, like, as a celebrity, what they had to like the changes they had to experience with them, you know, and the growth together. Like, that's even more pressure.
Exactly. Like, how much dropping of other people, like, your even family members, like, you gotta really, like, think about it. Like, people you have to block off. If you know you have a goal, and, like, that comes with trusting the process. It's just, like, I mean, you don't maybe I feel like I don't want to let them go, but you have to let them go, because that could be literally holding you back. Exactly, from anything that you are really trying to accomplish.
That's true. And it just be that. I think that's hard. That part of the process is hard to do, because you're like, this is my road dog. Like, we cool, and I don't want to have to, but you want to be around like-minded people so that you can grow. And
you have to be around like-minded people.
And I think also people, we feel and don't realize, like, for example, like, we came into each other's life, like when at a time that we both needed each other. So if that happened, then that means it can happen again. Basically, is what I'm trying to say. Like, you know, if not me and you, but but like if you lose somebody, you're like, dang, I don't want to let this person go. Like even in relationships or whatever, you're like, dang, I'll never find somebody like this person. But he'll bring you somebody 10 times better, you know. So trusting that too, trusting the people that he's gonna bring you, and we're not meant to be alone on this earth. Like I just never believed that, you know.
Exactly. So no matter what you like, whatever, if it's not always like with entrepreneurship, even though like that's what we really focus on because that's what we are focused on,
right?
But like when, like she said, when it comes down to relationships, friendships, all of that, like, or just progressing in life, period, like you have to just trust everything that's going on because God is not out here to like make your life worse,
right?
You know, like he just wants you to know that he's God, he's your God,
right?
And he's trying to get you to where you need to be, period. And if people gotta go, they gotta go. That's how I feel like I be talking. Like, you know, he's like, they gotta go.
Yeah, people gotta go. Things gotta go. Habits have to go.
Yeah.
And you change your environment. Like, if God is like, you need to go move, I mean, be smart about it, but then it's time for you to move. Like, if God is saying you gotta let them go, you gotta let them go. If God is saying you need to improve your relationship with somebody you never really had a relationship with, then that's what you know, we have to listen because he talks to us, but we just let it go.
Like those that little voice in your head is most likely God talking to you. Why would these opportunities come to us if God is not speaking to us?
Yeah, that's true. Exactly.
Like, it's not just us. Like I wouldn't. Yeah, like, but we're creative. We are creative people, but that's the talent that God gave us.
Yeah.
So
it's our choice. Everything's a choice. Everything is up to you to use it, to take that opportunity to keep that person in your life, to grow or not grow. Everything is a choice.
Those things are the choices. But he gives you that one, basically that one purpose and that talent and that skill to do it. But he gives you that choice on whether or not you really trying to get there or not.
Right,
exactly. Let's say bye to the viewers. Chasey Wasey. All right, guys.
Hello.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys took value in what we said today as well. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, because you should have did it in the beginning. But it's okay. So if you didn't do it in the beginning, you can just do it right now.
Exactly.
We'll wait. Okay, great. So now that you clicked it, you guys enjoy the rest of your day, evening, night, all of that. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye. And don't forget that self-love is the best love.